This video will help you navigate Ancestry Library Edition and help you start your genealogy search. Before researching, here are a few tips to get you started. First, talk to your family members, family friends, and neighbors. 2. Map out your family tree. Try to go back as far as you can. 3. Keep notes on your research so you don't redo your efforts. Organization is key. Start at the library webpage. If you don't know how to get there, Google Leeward Library. We are the first site you see. Select Research Databases. At Research Databases, select A to Z Databases to find Ancestry. In the search box, type Ancestry. Click on the Ancestry link. Once you are in Ancestry Library Edition, select Begin Searching. At the search page, type in all the information that you have, including first and last name, place your ancestor might have lived, and birth date. The more information you have, the better chance of finding your ancestor, including various events such as marriage or military service, and any family members or nationality. I actually used my father's information and found the following results, including his World War II draft card. By looking at the information provided, I could confirm that this actually was my father. It's that simple. If you have any questions, please contact me by email or phone or drop by the library. Thank you.